I did it again, guys. I did it again and again. Let me explain. Now here, let me explain. Preparing for the Red Hat exam EX200, setting up your own lab can take hours. And let's be real, sometimes it doesn't even work right. What if you could skip all that and jump straight into practicing? This lab contains 3 built VMs that will just match your RHCSA version 10. All of them were built in RHEL 10 and are ready to be used for lab exercises. They include everything, all the tools you need, all the repositories. The repositories are not configured because that's part of the tasks, but they have a repo ready to use, NFS server ready to use, a DNS server ready to use. It's all documented in the companion PDF of these VMs. Okay, so everything is there. They use that. You have basically 3 VMs, and there are the classroom where the DNS server is, the repo it's placed, the NFS server is placed. So everything you need as your permanent companion classroom server, that's also documented on the companion PDF. I've packaged this lab into an easy download, available now on my Gumroad store. My Gumroad store has much more. Just browse it and I add something new every single day. Just grab it, import into a VMware workstation platform, which is a free platform nowadays, and start training today. I'll leave the link in the description and in the first pinned comment. For my channel members, I've got a bonus walkthrough and how to personally use it in my lab to operate, so if you're a member, check the community tab for that exclusive video. Train smarter, pass faster, check the link below, and let's crush the EX200 together, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hype, and share this with your fellow Linux learner. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you take a peek at the members tab and at the member section. Like, subscribe and hype, it will help, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.